I move Ceann Comhairle that the Dáil Éireann approves the nomination by the Taoiseach of the Minister of State, Deputy Hildegarde Naughton, for appointment by the President to be a member of the Government. I wish to inform the House that the President, acting on my advice, has accepted the resignation of Deputy Paschal Donohoe as a member of the Government. I intend to assign the Department of Finance to the Tanaiste Deputy Simon Harris. I also intend to assign the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade and the Department of Defence to Minister Helen McEntee, and the Department of Education and Youth to Minister of State Deputy Hildegarde Naughton. I intend to nominate Minister of State Deputy Emer Higgins to be a Minister of State at the Department of Children, Disability and Equality with responsibility for disability. She will attend government meetings. I intend to nominate Deputy Frank Feighan as Minister of State at the Department of Public Expenditure, Infrastructure, Public Service Reform and Digitalisation with special responsibility for public procurement, digitalisation and e-government. I would like to congratulate Ceann Comhairle, Deputy Paschal Donohoe, on his appointment to such an important role in the World Bank. This appointment is a tribute to the impact which he has made in 3 important ministerial roles over the past decade, as well as his work as President of the Eurogroup. He is only the 4th person to hold that role, and his election to it for 3 terms showed the deep esteem in which he is held throughout Europe. This appointment is also a testament to the high regard in which Ireland is held due to the active and positive work of members of government in international institutions. There are those who seem to assume that Ireland's standing rests on how loud we speak. The truth is that it is actually based on the much harder work of countless hours spent building relationships and showing our values through constructive work with others. Paschal's work on our behalf and on behalf of all of the people of Europe deserves our thanks, respect and appreciation.